All right, welcome back to Casa de Malouff. Rebuild, because it ain't no remodel. It's a rebuild. All right, we're here day 18. I think it's 18. I'm losing track of days, man. It adds up. Okay, we got the dumpster full. They're going to pick that up on Monday and take that away and empty it out. The front yard still looks a little messy, but we're going to attend the yard work, landscaping, maybe next week. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, everything stays the same. I'll throw that up there later. So no work, no contractors today. It's Sunday, so they got the day off. So today, I've got the glorious duties of sanding all the walls and the ceiling. So that's going to be a sandy, dusty day today. And I don't have an industrial sander because I sent it back. So I get to use my little handheld sander. Hee hee. Hoo-hoo, ha-ha. So it's going to be a little bit. So I'm going to get my little drill and take out all the face plates again. I forget half of them. So get rid of all the face plates everywhere. And we'll probably start, maybe I'll start here in the office. It's the smallest room, it looks like. One of the smallest rooms. So I'll start here in the office, work my way to the hallway here, work my way over to the spare bedroom here, and then work my way over to the main house and then to the master bedroom. So I don't know if I'll get all this done today, but we're going to try and get most of it done today if we can. If not, we'll finish tomorrow. But it's going to be a sanding day. And then whenever we finish all the sanding, then we'll start on the garage door opener. So to me right now, that's not a priority. So I've been putting it off. But it's going to get to the point in time where the garage door opener is going to be a need. So we're getting to that point. But the contractors, when they arrive and I'm not here, they need access. So it's easy to have the garage door open for them. So being that said, welcome to day 18. Casa de Malouff rebuild, and let's make it happen. Thank you for watching. Okay, here we are. Day 18. Casa de Malouff coming to a close. Well, coming to a close because we have to finish early. So no reason to film outside. Nothing was happening outside. And as you've seen in the videos, I did nothing today but sand the walls and the ceiling. So I was hoping to be able to get into the master bedroom and finish it off. So I sanded here in the office. Don't judge. It still looks like shit, but it's okay. I stay in the bedroom, walls, everything. I did the dining room and part of the living room. And right when I got to about right there in the middle, well, my sander's been falling apart as I've been working. And as you see, it is now a POS. So, got to go buy a new sander tomorrow. So that's the reason why we're stopping today. But we got to just finish a little strip there, sand here in the kitchen, the hallway, in the bedroom, and sanding so that way they have an easier way for compounding. Anybody and everybody knows that when you spread the compound and you got these little BB textures, once these things get wet, it'll wipe with the compound and make streaks or just screw it all up. So it's better to sand it down, smooth it out, and then you could put the compound on easier. Or I take out every single wall and put in new drywall, and that make it a lot easier. So the cost of a sander is a lot cheaper than the cost of all that drywall. So this is where we are today. Sorry it wasn't anything fun and exciting. However, you did miss a multiple thing because actually I had this board right here as a plank going in the middle over there. But I did not have it on video because you guys sitting there watching me sand for the past hour and a half doing nothing but sanding. There's nothing for you, it's just sanding. But it split and broke. And I fell the 2 feet, whatever it is, 2.5 feet, over to the next beam. But didn't get hurt, no injuries, no foul, no harm. It's all good. But would have been fun to you to see. Could have been comical. But too bad, you only get the visual now. So we're locking it up. We're closing it up. Thanks for watching day 18. Tomorrow's day 19, starting fresh. With new, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I guess finish up the sanding and then maybe I'll get to working on the garage door opener. And maybe try to figure out, fix that hole there and the other hole in the garage before they compound that. Now, one last thing. A suggestion was made to completely get rid of the fireplace and put my TV on this wall so that way I can have a couch there and I can have a couch right here and can watch TV. All my furniture and everything here watching TV. What's your suggestion? Make your comments. Let me know. Do we get rid of the fireplace? Now, it's going to be an added cost on top of that. Hopefully not too much, but it might be a bigger cost to do so because they already put this stuff on and they already finished the ceiling upstairs. So I'll mention it to this contractor tomorrow and see how much of a pain in the ass it's going to be. So we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't nothing exciting for you. Maybe tomorrow will be more exciting. We'll see. You know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. And have a good day.